Let's open a Questrade account together. So you now head over to Questrade. The link is in the description of this video. Once you're on the website, just select open an account. Provide your legal first name, last name, email address, and a phone number. And you can also enable the option to receive electronic communication, including news offers and announcement. I do not want this option, so I'll be disabling it. Once you're complete, just select next. Now on this page, you need to verify your phone number and email address. So select verify phone number. You can choose a text or call. Enter the verification code you receive on your phone number, then select verify. Then select next. Then here you're going to create a user ID. Now your user ID must be between 8 to 20 characters. It should not include any special space or characters and only include numbers and letters. Then select next. Here you're going to set a password for your account. Confirm your password and ensure your password has one uppercase, one number, a special character, an uppercase letter, and a minimum of 8 characters. Then select next. How would you like to manage your investments? Choose an account type, right? So I'll be opening a self-directed account where I'll make investments for myself. Or you can use a Questrade portfolio where you can get a pre-built portfolio that matches your investment goals. So all you're going to do with this account is make contributions and have your investments managed for you. So I'm going to go with a self-directed investment account. So what type of self-directed account would you want? Now you can do a tax-free savings account. Now with the tax-free savings account, you can save for short-term or long-term goals, enjoy tax-free growth, get easy access to your money, pay no annual fees. Or you can go with an individual margin account. Invest with flexibility and convenience, get extra buying power because it's a margin account, right? React quickly to market opportunities and place advanced order type. Now you have the RSP, where you can enjoy tax-free deductions on yearly contribution. So with this is mainly for retirement, right? And you can even go with an individual cash account, no contribution or withdrawal limits, greater for all types of goals, no borrowing, just straightforward investing. Currency automatically converts when you buy US stocks with Canadian dollars and vice versa. And you can also open a first home savings account. This account allows you to save for your first home while investing, of course, through your savings tax-free, enjoy tax deductions on yearly contributions, tax-free withdrawals for your first home purchase. Now, take your time and decide on which account is best for your goals and objective. I'll be going with an individual cash account. Then select next. Here, select your country of residence. By default, it's Canada. Then you're going to enter your address and then select next. Enter your date of birth, then select next. Select your marital status and then select next. Here you need to verify your email address. So go ahead and select verify email address and then select next once your email address is verified. Then from the drop down, select your employment status, specify your job title, your employer's name, the industry of employment, your employer's phone number, and the country of employment, and also the employer's address. Then once you're done with all of that information, go ahead and select next. Do any of these apply to you? Select what best applies. Then select next. Enter your approximate annual income, and then select next. Specify your liquid assets, like this is the amount of cash that you have. Then your fixed assets, possessions that you have, like your car, your house, right? Things like that. And then specify your liabilities, like your credit card, your mortgages, your line of credit. And then it shows your total net worth. Then select next. Are you a tax resident of Canada? Select what best applies. Do you have a social insurance number? Select what best apply. Enter your social insurance number and then select next. Once you enter your social insurance number, then select next. Do any of these apply to you? You were born in the US. You are a tax resident of the US. I'm a tax resident of another country outside of Canada or United States. Click what best applies. So in my case, I'm a tax resident of Jamaica. And then save. Then select next. Do you want trade options? Select what best applies, then select next. So if your country has a tax treaty between Canada, it's recommended that you complete the certificate of foreign status beneficial owner for the United States and submit it. So here you're going to select next. And now you should be successfully redirected to your account. Now to add funds to your account, just go ahead and select add funds. Select a method that you'd like to add money to your account. Then here you're going to select deposit. These are the various options that you can choose from to deposit money to your account. And that's basically it. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.